Do not buy this camera from the TikTok shop until you get done watching this video. Here's the price on Amazon, $43. Here's the price today on the TikTok shop. Free shipping as well. This camera has colored night vision, 24/7 recording. It is indoor and outdoor. You can have this inside of your house or outside. 360. This thing spins all the way around. Motion and sound activated. As you can see, wherever I go, the camera follows. It has a privacy mode, two-way audio, night vision, full 1080p HD. So if you're recording someone, you can talk to them through the camera. Best of all, with this camera, there are no subscriptions. You simply buy the camera, hook it up to your Wi-Fi, download the free app, and you automatically start monitoring. Get yours while they are still in stock.